What's going on, guys? Just wanted to quickly do a recap of the trade we took today. Hit around a 1.1 on NASDAQ, was in and out in about 4 minutes. So it was a solid day. And we'll be back in the PM session later, see if we can get anything else, but we're off to a good start on the day. So I'll just come back to this in a minute. So first things first, we wanted to take a look at news. We had 8:30 news today, orange folder. Not really going to affect the market that much, and it was pre-market, so got that out of the way. So let me just zoom out real quick. So going into the day, we're pretty much consolidating from yesterday. Didn't really get much yesterday, and we are continuing to play in this range right here. So first off, we had Asian session lows that were swept in the pre-market. So going into the day, I was bullish because of that. And then market opened up right around here after we'd already had this inverse fair value gap and change in the state on the 15-minute. So kind of what I wanted to see was some sort of level swept right here to take us to these key level highs, but we just rode right up to them without really anything. So market opened up right around here, and we just went straight up, swept out London highs and previous day highs over here on both the indexes. So after the highs were swept, I was bearish, and basically what I want to see for my entry system is we have to be in a key level, whether that's at a recent, or whether it's at a high time frame high or low, or a high time frame imbalance. And then after that, I want to see a recent high or low being swept, like a 5-minute or a 15-minute, based on if we're shorting or longing. And then after that, I want to see our inverse fair value gap and change in the state get put in, and that's when I'm looking to take my entry. So first step, swept out a key time frame level. After that, 5-minute recent high was swept after a little consolidation here. So we can scale in a little bit to the 1 minute. And we can see on this manipulation leg up to the 5-minute highs, we made an inverse fair value gap right here, which is what this box is. And then this blue line is our change in the state, which is the candle close of the series of up close candles. So went right through both of those, and as soon as that happened, I took a short. Stops right above this candle close right here, and there wasn't really much to target just because we were so overextended from the morning. Wasn't really anything on the 5-minute, so what I did was I just set my take profit at this 15-minute low, right at the 15-minute imbalance right here. I probably could have held a little more, maybe to like the middle of this gap, but didn't want to be too risky. So yeah, pretty quick trade. Entered, went into drawdown for a little bit here just to rebalance up to this gap, and then we just shot right down in about 4 minutes, which was pretty nice. Don't know what this big move down here was. It might have been news because we were consolidating and we picked up pretty fast, but regardless, it was a good trade. And going into the rest of the week now, we got Powell speaking tomorrow, so I'd be a little careful about that. We got 8:30 news on Thursday, and then nothing Friday really. So rest of the week's looking pretty nice. Off to a good start to the week today is my first trade, and we'll see if I get anything in the PM session, but keep you guys updated on that. So yeah, nice win. Oh yeah, and I'll just show my executions here so you guys can see that. Entered right here, took profit right here. So yeah, W on the day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.